Hi Primary 6, this is just a wee reminder on how to use Class Notebook. Okay, now this is accessed through Teams. Now your team will look slightly different to mine because I've got the teacher version, but it's pretty much the same. So I'm in the General tab just now, and here I can see the work that was posted on Tuesday the 19th, yesterday. Okay, so if I wanted to go to the Class Notebook, for example, and add in my answers, I can click on Class Notebook at the top, and it will open it in Teams. Okay, this one is opening a blank page, but I want to go and find a specific folder. So in this case, I'm going to use John's. Okay, so John's folder, his will be the only one that comes up when he logs in, as will yours. It's only per user. As a teacher, we get to see everybody's. So we're on week 2. So if I click on week 2, and I see John's adding an extra page, and the Monday and Tuesday. We're trying not to add the extra page, but don't worry about that just now. So I'm going to use Monday as an example, so where I'm going to post. So here's Monday's page in Notebook. And we have the budgeting files, the link to the video, but it's quite small. I can't really see anything. Now to hide this part of the screen, we can click on the books again, and it'll take it away. It'll just put them all to the left hand side. If you press it again, it'll pop back out. So we're back on here, and we've got our task. And then we have a reading task, and then we have the hyperlink to that. So if I wanted to do my reading task here, I can simply click on it, and type in the game was at an end. Okay. You can change the font on it, you can highlight it, change the colour. It's just like using Word, you can make it bold. It's all there. Okay. We'll go back to black and take the bold off. Now if you want, you can do some of your work on the PDFs that we've inputted. So let's look at Greg's budget. It tells us that income, monthly, and he's got stuff from a garage sale. So we need to find out what his total income is. Now his total income is here, and it's 800 and I think it's 83.49. So if I wanted to answer that, I could simply click over here, put a pound sign, 883.49, and that's it done. Then you can move on to the next one, and you can move these boxes around, but what you can't do is move the background around. That's because we've set it to stay there. Okay, so it's quite easy to do it. Sometimes it's quite good to change the colour. Depends how we mark it. We might highlight it green for growth if you need to look at it again, or tickle pink, or we might just put a comment, an audio comment at the side. Okay, so that's how to do it in the Teams app. If you want to do it in the web, you click on Open Browser and click on Open in Browser. Okay, it's really just the same. It makes it a wee bit bigger on the screen. I can do it for you just now. And it's just quickly asking me to sign in. Oh, and here we have John's page here. And it's saved the answer automatically. We didn't even have to press save. Okay. Now I hope that helps. Any questions? Just ask Miss Cochrane or myself.